A Milwaukee judge just learned a lesson that every American needs to understand, that nobody is above federal law, not even judges who think that their robes grant immunity from justice. A federal jury just convicted this activist judge for physically helping a violent illegal immigrant escape ICE agents inside of her own courthouse. And the surveillance video that sealed her fate is absolutely damning. She's facing 5 years in federal prison, and this conviction could change how judges operate nationwide. So what does this mean for border security and judicial accountability across America? Let me know in the comments whether you think she deserves a maximum sentence. I'm saying yes, and it's 5 years. Give her 20. This gets much worse for her before it's going to get better. So my name is Tom. I'm with the Daily Beltway, and I'm also a White House correspondent for the Next News Network. And this story out of Wisconsin is one of the most important judicial accountability cases that we've seen in years. A Milwaukee County judge has now been convicted for actively helping an illegal immigrant evade federal ICE agents during a courthouse arrest. But before we get into the details, make sure you guys are subscribed. We're a growing channel, and every like, comment, share, and subscription helps us reach more Americans who want facts without the spin. Also, sharing this report matters because stories like this are quietly buried elsewhere, and this is a huge deal, so share it around. Check this out.
For the first time, we're seeing Judge Hannah Dugan outside her courtroom April 18th, wearing her black robes, appearing to confront several federal agents there to arrest Eduardo Flores Ruiz, a Milwaukee man and Mexican national charged locally with 3 counts of domestic battery. This video, released by Milwaukee County through an open records request, is part of the evidence in the case against Judge Dugan, who's charged with obstructing a federal investigation, concealing Flores Ruiz, allowing him to leave her courtroom by a different door after sending the agents to speak to the chief judge. Flores Ruiz, dressed in black with his attorney, is seen in several of the videos leaving by that other door. One prosecutors say was used by jurors and not open to the public. As he leaves, though, he is seen in the hallway, followed by another agent. As Flores Ruiz gets into the elevator to leave, the agent slips in as well. According to the criminal complaint against Dugan, that agent followed them down. The agent seen here following out of the building downstairs, and once backup arrived, they tried to arrest Flores Ruiz, who another video shows ran north in front of the courthouse for nearly a block before agents caught up with him and arrested him. Federal agents arrested Dugan herself a week later.
Eduardo Flores Ruiz's domestic violence case is moving through the Milwaukee County Court. He is, however, in federal custody on his immigration arrest. The FBI arrested Judge Dugan at the county courthouse 1 week later on April 25th. She pleaded not guilty in a federal court last week.
Judge Dugan, your response.
That's Dugan exiting the federal courthouse after an arraignment last week. Her legal team filed a motion to dismiss the case, calling it unconstitutional and saying that she is entitled to judicial immunity. A judge set a tentative trial date for July 21st.